How to invest wisely in lockdown period. As we all know that how coronavirus has already affected the economy of the whole world, and there are chances that it will affect even more with its second wave. On what we should focus now is how can we make our money work in this lockdown period. Today I will tell you that how to invest your money wisely so that you do not have to face any problem while lockdown period and can even earn more money. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end. Hi, this is the Financial Educator where we provide you with helpful information about finances, investing and income. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get informed when we release a new video. Lastly, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's move on to our video. Now let's talk about how you can earn more money while being at home unemployed from your job. As we know that during the previous lockdown many businesses were shut down resulting into unemployment. Many people lost their jobs and faced problems into paying their bills, house rents and for other necessities of life. Even most of the people lost their business as well. They had to shut down their business for a long term which eventually resulted in losing their whole business. Corona proved much worse for many small business than just a virus. They lost their business, many people lost their jobs working in that business, and the business owner lost his ton of money. That's why I am here to tell you how to invest your money wisely so that you do not have to face such problem. If you watch news and keep yourself up to date about what is happening all around the world, then you must know that the news and rumors are going around that America may order lockdown again. Chicago has already ordered lockdown with strict restrictions as coronavirus cases are increasing rapidly. New Jersey is thinking to lock down the whole state to protect people's health. There is one thing that I would like to tell here is that Jerome Powell, who is chairman of Federal Reserve Bank, just said in a European Central Bankers event that if the increase in coronavirus cases remains same, the next few months could be challenging. If you don't know what Federal Reserve Bank is, then let me tell you. This is the European bank which supplies money in United States. Means if its chairman has said that next few months could be challenging, then it is fully related to economy. All of this means that you have to face what you already faced in March, June, July and during the whole lockdown. As we know, elections were done and Joe Biden was chosen as the next president. It is predicted that Joe Biden may enter the White House in January 2021. Now Joe Biden team has announced to apply lockdown in the United States, but they also said that to protect economy and keep the flow of money they will pay employees for staying at home for 4 to 6 weeks. The real strategy behind it is that during the first lockdown, as I mentioned earlier, many people lost their businesses and faced huge loss of money, and keeping this in mind, they may protest against a second lockdown. So to control increasing cases of coronavirus day by day, they decided to pay people just for staying at home for 4 to 6 weeks. In this way people will stay at home, and also they do not need to worry about paying bills, rent and for other things. Second strategy is that by this they will take over coronavirus cases rapidly and can revive the economy much faster. Otherwise they have to spend a huge amount of money on hospitals and taking care of their nation's health. As we know that coronavirus has taken over the economy, so the vaccine may get developed in 4 to 6 weeks, as per companies are saying, so it's a wise decision about the second lockdown by Joe Biden team. I hope you get what I am actually trying to say here. During the first lockdown when almost everything were shut down, such as all the shopping malls, restaurants, businesses, many people got unemployed from their job. This caused the huge increase in the unemployment ratio of United States, and this caused the huge impact on economy. Many people got unemployed and didn't have any money to spend, so it was pretty much difficult time for most of the people. In October when businesses were reopened, then the unemployment ratio that was increased in March, April and the following lockdown months fell back 7%. This fall was the biggest fall of unemployment ratio that was ever recorded. That is a good news, right? The second quarter of the year, which is April, May and June, was the worst period for economy. The economy tanked faster during this period. As we know that many companies are now trying to make coronavirus vaccines and has given us the best results during their trials. Every company wants to develop the vaccine as it will help them a lot because the vaccine will be used by the whole world, eventually increasing their sale rate and having tons of profit. From all of those companies, Pfizer has claimed that its coronavirus vaccine has proved 90% effective during all the trials. In the start we just wanted to have 40% to 60% of effective vaccine, but now Pfizer has said that their vaccine is 90% effective. But before releasing their vaccine, the vaccine has to be approved by FDA. Then after that it has to be manufactured by the company, and then the distribution process will start. All of this will take a lot of time. This was all the general information just to tell you how coronavirus has affected people's life financially and economy of the country. Now let's move on to our main topic, which is how you can invest wisely during the second lockdown period to save yourself and your family from facing financial issues. During lockdown, the best option to use your money wisely is to invest your money in stock market. This will pay you some extra money. I know that by now you must have know about what stock market is and how it works, but if you haven't, then you can watch our videos that have all the information about stock market and how to invest money in them on our channel. When the first lockdown started in March, then the stock market fell down. All the businesses were shut down and didn't gain any profit, so their share worth decreased. Many people thought that this is the downfall of stock market and they start withdrawing their money from stocks, which caused the stocks to get cheaper. Now, that was the real opportunity to invest in stock market. You may not know, but after 2 to 3 weeks for lockdown, stock market prices again went high and people start gaining more and more profit from it. If a person has bought cheap stocks at the start of lockdown period, he gained much profit just after 2 to 3 weeks. This is the opportunity that you can take. Now during the second lockdown, it's the prediction that shares may also get cheap and then get expensive after some time. This is the time to take your opportunity. The question is which stocks you should buy to earn more profit. As we know that coronavirus is a huge pandemic and every company is trying to develop its vaccine. This is the best time to invest your money in such company who you may think may get success in developing vaccine. If the company gets success in developing vaccine, then just think that you will get ton of profit from your stocks. But as you know that investing money is always risky. Nobody knows that if he or she will gain promising profit by investing money, but you have to take the risk to earn more money, right? What we have learned is that the real strategy to invest your money wisely is to take the opportunity. Whenever you feel like that this is the opportunity for you, then just take it and invest your money in stock market. This is the prediction that if you have money in stock market right now, then you will get amazing results in 2020. There is one thing going around that Federal Reserve Bank may put money in the market. By putting money in the market means giving it in the hands of American people. If Americans have money, then they will spend it to buy things they need. The money they spent now have gone to the hands of the businessman. The businessman will pay his employees from this money, which will again to people's hand that they will spend to pay their bills, rents, etc. This flow of money keep the balance of economy, and to keep this flow there are many plans that government is likely to approve by Federal Reserve Bank. If the plans gets approved, then there are two options to pay off that money. First option is to raise taxes and the second option is to print dollars. The first option, which is to raise dollars, will not give government money fast. They have to wait for a long period of time. Second option can give them money really fast, but it has bad effects as well. As more and more dollars will be printed, the dollar value will fall. When the dollar value fall means you have to pay more to buy the same thing that you were already buying with the less money. One last thing about the money investment is you can also invest your money in buying gold or cryptocurrency. But as I said earlier that investing money is always risky, but buying gold or cryptocurrency will keep your money safe and can help you to gain profit as well. That was all for this video. If you have any question or want us to cover a specific topic about finance, investment or income, please leave a comment. Alright, that does it. See you in the next video.